Hello, welcome to the channel. So, people ask me one question. Sir, I'm unable to share my content on Facebook to my social media network platforms. I got this error. Use opt-in out of platform. The action attempt to disallow because the user has optimized after your Facebook platform. You're getting this error. This error nothing but nothing like that. Your Facebook profile convert into Facebook business page. So that will be convert into your profile option. Profile is different, page is different. When your Facebook is the profile option, easy to you can share it. Simple step. You are unable to share nothing but your Facebook page in your another user action, not for the user. See this one. Every Facebook page compulsory user interaction important, not page interaction. So why it is converted to page? Is a newly introduced by Facebook. It is the how is working on Facebook profile, same working for Facebook business page also. So that is called we are unable to share your Facebook page. Only one option is problem. That is converted into Facebook profile option. Only Facebook profile can activate the share link option. Another option, not accepting to share your social media platform on Facebook. So this is the keep it in mind. First of all, convert into Facebook profile. After that, share your Facebook option. Remaining common, only Facebook is anything will be stopped. There is nothing but your Facebook into business page, not for the profile option. So this is we can guidelines follow here. Any questions you have, contact my channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.